Florida has filed a lawsuit against Snapchat for allegedly endangering children. Florida's Attorney General is James Utmeyer, and he joins me now. Mr. Attorney General, in what way is Snapchat dangerous for children?
Sure. Well, here in Florida, we're not going to let companies cash in on our kids and expose them to harm. Here, Snapchat is violating state law in multiple ways. They've created an application that is designed to be addictive, using things like unlimited scrolling and push notifications and videos that start on their own. They've designed this application, we have evidence to prove, in a way that keeps kids on it all day long. They're also allowing young kids under 14 to access the application, which violates a law that was passed here in Florida last year. And older teenagers should not be allowed to access the application without parental permission, without parents being involved to take advantage of controls that might be there to properly monitor and supervise their kids. Just recently, last week, we've got yet another case. We've identified several of these registered sex offenders and child predators that utilize Snap in order to prey upon kids. They use the disappearing features of the messages and photographs to send harmful content, communicate with kids. They often misrepresent who they are. They pretend to be other kids, and they try to get into dialogues and in some cases try to set up meetings. We're not going to let this stand here in Florida.
So I'm going to move on to another subject, but first I have to read what a Snapchat statement. They have responded to your lawsuit. They're saying, in part, and I'm quoting now, "This law does not adequately address age verification and infringes on the First Amendment rights of adults and young people, while also opening Floridians up to data protection and privacy issues. We believe there are more privacy-conscious solutions to online safety and managing age verification, including the operating system, app store, or device level." That is their statement. Mr. Attorney General, a different subject. Why have you ordered law enforcement to stop arresting illegal migrants inside Florida?
So this is a false narrative that the leftist media has spun. I haven't ordered anything. There's a judge in South Florida that enjoined our state law that was recently passed that makes it illegal to be in the state as an undocumented immigrant. The prosecutors are a party to that lawsuit, not law enforcement. So law enforcement has been continuing to arrest criminal aliens in this state. And that's great. I'm glad they're doing so, and I support them. However, this judge is now saying that they need to be notified that they're breaking the law. So I stand by our law enforcement. We've got the strongest, most robust legislation to oppose illegal immigration in the country. We plan to appeal in the court systems and ultimately believe our law will be upheld.
Mr. Attorney General, thank you very much indeed for addressing two very important subjects for us this morning. We always appreciate it.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. See you again.